Let's learn the names of vegetables. Carrot. This is a carrot. Carrot. This is a carrot. Corn. This is a corn. Corn. This is a corn. Tomato. This is a tomato. Tomato. This is a tomato. Cucumber. This is a cucumber. Cucumber. This is a cucumber. Cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. Cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. Capsicum. This is a capsicum. Capsicum. This is a capsicum. Garlic. This is a garlic. Garlic. This is a garlic. Mushroom. This is a mushroom. Mushroom. This is a mushroom. Pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. Pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. Onion. This is an onion. Onion. This is an onion. Beetroot. This is a beetroot. Beetroot. This is a beetroot. Potato. This is a potato. Potato. This is a potato. Red chili. This is a red chili. Red chili. This is a red chili. Brinjal. This is a brinjal. Brinjal. This is a brinjal.